All right, so here in vendor payments, there's two main sections. There's pending approvals and there's payment history. We're going to go ahead and start with payment history. As always, check out the guide here. In payment history, you can see all payments that you've processed through the system, both payments that were processed through PadPulse, which you'll see here in the top. And if it's exceeded, you'll be able to see the amount that was received and the PadPulse fee. In the manual payments, you'll see any manual payments that you registered, their method, their amount, and if you had any uploaded receipt, that'll show up here in the proof column. For these, you'll easily be able to edit them and add or attach additional files, add any other notes, or make any changes, or avoid the manual payment. You can also export all of your CSV for your prior payments history if you need it, and sort by any vendor or any specific status that you might want to see. Back on approvals, this is where all of your tasks that have been moved to completed status will immediately show up. Upon import, if you're connecting to PadSplit account that has a lot of historic tasks, you're going to by default see a lot of stuff here, and they're all going to show as pending. There's going to be an archive button over here. You'll be able to click and enter a manual payment if you want to record what you spent on that task, which will be helpful as you'll then be able to see task spend on a per property level. You'll also be able to open that task if you need to get back to it in task section and reassign it to like a specific appliance. In order to do that, you'll have to have already added your appliances over in properties. Please go see the video over there in the appliance section if you would like to do that. Or if that sounds like too much work, you can simply archive it and put a manual payment of 0 and it'll clear all your old tasks. All right, beyond that, here's your tasks. You'll be able to, if the task was done and created originally through PadPulse, an easy way to tell is you'll be able to see this chat versus not being able to see the chat or leave a review. So here you'll be able to click and chat with the vendor. It'll pull up that exact task. It's the easiest way to kind of get to it. And you'll see what the actual charges were and any of the details that you had here. Go see tasks video if you haven't been there yet. Right here's where you see the approve and pay button. If you need to reject a payment request for any reason, you can do so here. However, please use this sparingly. It's best to try to chat with the vendor and come to an agreement on any discrepancies so that it can be edited before you pay. If you reject, it'll notify PadPulse support as well as the vendor and will become kind of a case that we'll have to manage. When you're processing the payment through approve and pay, it will automatically cause you to leave a review as one step. And that's pretty much it for vendor payments. As always, guide, video, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.